Hey there! So you've been hearing those whispers about the US housing market crashing in 2025, huh? Well, let's dive into this topic and separate fact from fiction. Spoiler alert, the experts say there's no crash on the horizon. First, let's talk about home prices. They're high, no doubt about it. In May 2025, the median home sale price hit a record $422,800. That's a jaw-dropper, right? But here's the twist. While prices are high, the growth rate is slowing down. Forecasts predict a modest increase of 1.3% to 4.1% this year. The housing market is normalizing after the pandemic boom, not collapsing. Now about mortgage rates, they're sitting around 6.78% for a 30-year fixed rate. That's a major hurdle for buyers, and it's keeping a lot of folks on the sidelines. High rates are definitely suppressing sales activity, but the experts think they'll stay in this range for a while, with only a couple of minor rate cuts expected. Inventory is another piece of this puzzle. There's more homes on the market now, with a 4.6-month supply in May 2025. That sounds like progress, but we're still facing a significant shortage. The US is short about 4.5 million homes, which keeps prices up and puts a damper on the whole crash theory. Sales are subdued, yes, but they're not tanking. In fact, existing home sales only fell 0.7% year over year in May 2025. And for context, sales have been about 75% of pre-pandemic levels for 3 years now. It's a steady, albeit slow gain. Regionally, there's a lot of variation. Prices are rising in most places like Rhode Island and Newark, New Jersey. But some areas like Hawaii and Lakeland Winter Haven, Florida, are seeing declines. Some hot markets are shifting towards becoming buyers' markets, but many, especially in the West and Northeast, remain sellers' markets. Let's not forget the economic and political backdrop. Inflation has cooled down to 2.4%, and builders are optimistic, cutting prices and offering incentives to attract buyers. The silver tsunami of aging baby boomers could also bring more homes onto the market, easing supply constraints in the future. So what's the bottom line? The US housing market is facing challenges, but it's not about to crash. It's adjusting, not collapsing. If you're an investor, this might be the time to watch and wait, or perhaps seize opportunities as the market finds its new normal. Remember, informed decisions are your best bet. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those investment strategies sharp.